Just a quick video to show you the progress. So this is the black bamboo that we divided. And it appears that it survived. So it's still alive, and this is how it looks. No new shoots. Oh yeah, look, there's one. Let's see. Right there. So we got a new shoot. I guess it's liking the new space that the roots have. And here's the other half. I don't see nothing there. But it looks like it's gonna make it. So here's that one, and here's the other half. And you can see, so this is the running bamboo, and now it has space to run a little bit. So I imagine it'll be popping up new shoots here in that space soon. Okay, so here's the giant division. And look at that, that's the one shoot. It's, look at that, it's taller than the original. See if anything else is popping up. Not that I see. So that's cool. Look, you can see here, this is dead, but this is the original cutting. And then maybe this one was next, and there's some of these little skinny pencil ones. I guess it's dead too here. But this one grew up, and now this is the newest shoot. Just a few weeks old, or a month old. And it's this high. So I got a lot of hope for that one. So let's go out here and look at what this one's doing. Now, I think I was complaining the last time that nothing was happening. Very disappointed. But oh, look at this. Look at that monster coming up. Well, compared to what's next to it. So, this has been this way for, how long has it been? 2 years now? And you can see when I transplanted it, this is the original. And then, can't remember when this one popped up, but this has been like this for over a year and a half. And nothing new has popped up. And I was all pissed off and I'm like, come on, when is something gonna happen? But then my dad noticed this the other day, around Monday. And look at there. So I'm pleased. Hopefully maybe something else will come up, because I've had high hopes, being that it was over here amongst all these other trees and some soil. And actually the lawn guys came on Tuesday, and I thought for sure, oh man, they're gonna, because they don't care, they pull out their weed eaters and they just chop anything. And there's not much really around it, but probably just out of spite they would do it. But they didn't, and I don't know when Dad put that little cage around it, but nothing happens. And next time they come, it should be pretty big enough for them not to chop. So let's go look at the one in the front. Okay, so this is another giant, and I guess the other half or the other quarter from the two, the one in the pot and the one in the front. So look at this. So this is about 2 weeks old. Looking good. And Dad had put these stakes in the ground to keep the damn lawn care guys from chopping it. And then one shoot was coming up, and then those assholes, oh, I'm sorry, pardon my French, those guys chopped the new sprout that was coming up. And you see the damage that they do. But whatever. But dang, this is impressive. Looking good. Let's look at the big one. Well, let's look at this one. So this one's mostly the original. Oh, this dead one, those little skinny ones are the original. And this took a while for it to get to do anything, but here's the big shoot. And here's the angle that I took that one picture. So that's pretty impressive. Look how thick that is. Here's my hand. So that's pretty big. And then have this other one. That's pretty big. So I got high hopes for this one. So you can see the tallest one there is pretty tall, but it's not very thick. And it had a twin that died from the cold. You know, here it is in Texas. It got cold enough to kill off the bamboo. So I think it was like 2 generations ago. So this should be huge by now, but since the freeze took it out, this is what I got. So that one is gonna be big, and it's just gonna, each consecutive sprout will be bigger. So that's it. Time to get breakfast. Thanks for watching.